got the steering wheel made. Spider wheel steering wheel. I cut the hub out of the original steering wheel, beat all that plastic or whatever that was they had on it off of it, and I actually had to take the torch to burn the rest of it off. The stuff was on there good. But I got the hub, made the steering wheel, and I was gonna go ahead and mount that, but I said, well, I gotta have the seat in there. So I put the seat in, and I said, well, I don't know exactly where I need the seat, because I need a brake pedal. So I've been working on a brake pedal. So I'm gonna get the master cylinder on it, and then I'll be able to know exactly where I need the seat, so I know exactly where I want the steering wheel. So the steering wheel is going to go somewhere, probably about right there. I'm going to finish the brake assembly so I know exactly where the seat needs to be, and then I know where the steering wheel needs to be. So yeah, it's going to be a heavy duty brake pedal. Notice I had to make it miss this. When you turn the steering wheel, this goes in and out, so I had to come beside that. It looks like it's high, but when I put my foot up there, you see it's going to be about right. And the master cylinder is going to go here, right underneath the cover. I put a little screw on the cover to get to it, put fluid in it. So that's going to work pretty good. I got to put my brace across my pillar block bearing. I got my U-joint ready. And all I got to do is figure out where I need the steering wheel, cut the other piece of shaft, and brace all that up. So yeah, that's going to be all right. Brake pedal. One thing I don't like about the steering wheel is it's too precise. I measured here so I could get the right number of these in a circle, and I marked them, and maybe I shouldn't have done that because they're all too perfect. If you notice the seat, it's hard to find good spiders. So it's not perfect. That's what I wanted, and the steering wheel is a little bit more precise than the seats, but we're gonna go with it anyway. Yep. You see, good spiders are hard to find, but they still busy. So stay tuned. And yeah, get this master cylinder, get the brake going, figure out where the steering wheel needs to go, get all that. So next video I'll be working on that master cylinder, getting the steering wheel in the exact spot. All this is real important stuff. It takes a little longer. You see that big old 1/2-inch iron I've been having to cut. It takes a while to work that 1/2-inch stuff. So all this stuff is going to take a little time. Then we ought to be moving along pretty quick after that. We'll see what happens. All right, appreciate you.